Here's the app called Boards, business keyboard. So just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install this app. And then, super interesting app is Boards app. Your content is always one tap away. Put all your sales and marketing content on your mobile keyboard. Create a custom board with text, images, videos, PDFs, links, and more on the Boards app and easily access through your keyboard. In the same way you have keyboards for stickers and GIFs, you can now have one for content. Add all the content you frequently use, such as sales scripts, product catalogs, FAQs, workflows, and anything else to your content board and access it by switching keyboards on your device. Simple. Gone are the days of searching for content in a million different places and of copying and pasting over and over again. With Boards, you have everything you need to nail that sale in a single click. Create a content library, upload any kind of file, organize in folders, access and send content through your keyboard, Boards for teams, share boards with others, and update content, update and motivate. Just if you're working in a company, you can just use this app for that. So then you can just type get started, and then you can just sign up and start using Boards. Just super easy. Full name, email, set password, and then you can just start using it.